Guangdong Teo Motorcycle Technology Company started in 2003 and witnessed over the past 20 years the evolution of motorcycle industry in China. The company has been adhering to continuous technological innovation and producing the main components with the concept of self-construction development. Using fully automated robots, Zontes has learned lessons from the unpredictability of changes in the global market over the past 2 decades. The company is implementing vertical dynamic warehouse management at its factory. Design is the way of seeing and understanding the essence of things, the reflection of history and the future, and also a link between dreams and reality. With 20 years of experience and technical expertise from 500 engineers, Zontes has been successful in choosing a unique path that others have never followed before. Talent training program. Teo is keen to recruit only recent college graduates, ensuring stability in the organization for more than 10 years. The company instituted that those primarily responsible for all positions be trained internally. Investment in research and development is exceptional, with new motorcycle models constantly being revealed, which is considered Zontes' differential. There is a passenger drone development department, expected to be completed in 10 years. In addition, there is a strong development of new motorcycle models, some already revealed. Making the frame is actually a way to create space. With an injection machine weighing 3,000 tons, Zontes injects high-strength DNA, high rigidity and lightness in one-piece cast aluminum alloy frame technology being used on all high-cylinder motorcycles under the brand. Accuracy, efficiency, and speed are key indicators. Zontes has more than 200 machines, 11 automated production lines, and a strong quality control system. The wide application of digital information and automated control technologies makes production more efficient. The old days of manual techniques in the motorcycle industry were introduced. Integrated seat cover molding technology in the seat width and automated seat production with high precision ensure that the design of the product is achieved and production efficiency is improved, changing the way traditional manual assembly and robotic production work together. Colors, as carriers of the initial product design, are important elements for express product feelings and key part of the manufacturing process. Zontes' quest for color emotions, intelligent control, and ecologically correct processes is reflected in the 5 fully automated painting lines and eco-friendly water-based paint technology. Vehicle manufacturing is a continuous process, and final assembly is no exception to the rule. From parts to assembly on the production line, quality is the life force of business development. A sophisticated form of quality management allows Zontes to monitor the quality of each process in real time. Discover products that make customers happy and faithful.